Hi friends, Ganesh here. Hope you are all doing wonderful. Today we are going to discuss about a weekly savings challenge, a plan that will help you to develop a new habit and also increase your investments very effortlessly. So let's get inside the topic. Savings is a very important skill. I would suggest everyone should save 20% of their income and make investments regularly. If you are having trouble to develop that habit, then this weekly savings challenge will help you to develop that habit. In case if you are already good at savings but want to try some different strategy, please check this new idea. Watch this video till end to understand it clearly. This is how this plan works. You have to pick a date in a week and transfer your savings amount every week on the chosen day into your savings account. The key is you have to multiply that week with the savings amount you decided and transfer that amount into your bank account. I am referencing the US dollar here. For example, week 1 you will save $1, week 2 you will save $2. Like that, you will continue for 52 weeks. By 52nd week, you will save $52 for that week. If you forget to transfer the savings amount at any week, then you have to pay with penalty, which is to double your savings amount of that week. For example, you missed to transfer week 10 amount of $10 to your savings account and realized after that date, then you have to transfer $20 for that week instead of that $10. There is no hard rules how much amount you need to save. You can choose the amount based on your situation. But once you decided, please stick to that. The amount will increase as you pass the number of weeks. So pick the amount very carefully to make sure you are able to save without any trouble. If you have decided to save $1 per week, then at the end of the year you would have saved $1,378. Instead, if you have decided $5 per week, then you would have saved $6,890 by end of that year. Or if you have picked $10 for saving, then you would have saved $13,780 in a year. This challenge will fundamentally bring you the discipline and develop a savings habit. Always save that amount in bank so you will get some bank interest as well for the amount you saved. At the end of the year, this is considered as a bonus. Once you completed the challenge, invest that amount in gold or stock market or any of your interested investments. This way you will make the money work for you. Repeat this process again next year until as you wish. For example, if you do this challenge for 5 years with just $1 per week amount, at the end of the 5th year you would have saved $6,890. Plus, if you invested at 5% returns, then you will receive $7,995, which is $1,105 more than what you saved. Plus, if you invested this amount every year in a dividend yielding stocks, this would have been close to $8,000 or more, depends upon the dividend yield percentage of the stock. I hope this video was very informative and useful to you. I am so glad you spent your valuable time to watch this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this to your friends and family. Keep watching this channel for more financial literacy videos. And also smash the like buttons if you enjoyed this video. The blue color like buttons are fuel for the YouTube algorithm. Also it motivates me. See you all soon in another wonderful video. Until then, have a wonderful day and take care. Stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you for watching.